Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. Trump administration imposes $100,000 fee for new H-1B visa applications, sparking industry alarm. The Trump administration has issued a proclamation introducing a dramatic overhaul to the H-1B visa system. Beginning immediately, employers seeking H-1B visas for new employees must pay a $100,000 application fee. The change, aimed at reshaping the skilled foreign worker visa program, has prompted scramble among tech firms, anxiety among workers, and urgent efforts to clarify who will be affected. What's changing? The new fee applies only to new H-1B visa applications, not renewals or current visa holders. The fee is a one-time cost per new petition. Earlier statements suggesting it might be annual were clarified by the White House. The policy took effect September 21, 2025. Although companies and affected workers are calling for further guidance on implementation details. Why and how? The administration has defended the move as part of a broader effort to ensure that foreign skilled workers entering the U.S. under the H-1B program are truly indispensable, raising the cost for employers so they will prioritize hiring and training American workers. Critics, especially from the tech sector and immigrant advocacy groups, argue the fee is excessively high and risks chilling the visa system, discouraging innovation, and disrupting workforces that rely heavily on foreign talent. Immediate effects and reactions. Major tech, finance, and consulting firms, including Amazon, Microsoft, JP Morgan, Google, and Goldman Sachs, have circulated internal memos warning H-1B visa holders to avoid travel abroad or to try to return to the U.S. before the proclamation's deadline. Indian companies and industry bodies have expressed concern about the new cost burden, arguing that while parts of the industry are already reducing dependence on H-1B visas, the fee still threatens competitiveness. Stock markets in India reacted with declines in tech firms expected to be heavily affected. Legal and policy challenges. Some legal experts are questioning whether such a high fee can be enforced without judicial scrutiny, especially given precedents about congressional oversight. There are calls for clear criteria on exemptions and national interest carve-outs. Ambiguity in initial statements has added confusion, prompting corrections from the White House. What's at stake? The policy could significantly raise costs for U.S. employers using the H-1B program, especially those in sectors like tech, healthcare, and research. It may lead to fewer applications, which in turn could slow hiring of foreign talent, shift company strategy toward training domestic workers, or push more work offshore. For foreign nationals, particularly from countries that supply many H-1B workers, the new rule increases uncertainty. Bottom line, the $100,000 fee marks one of the most significant overhauls of the H-1B program in recent history. Though limited in scope, new applications only, not renewals, its effects are likely to ripple widely, reshaping employer behavior, visa demand, tech sector labor dynamics, and international perceptions of U.S. immigration policy. How the policy is interpreted, enforced, and possibly litigated in coming months will determine its ultimate impact.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.